Different ways to center a div. Now, let's first create our HTML code using Emmet abbreviation, ways to center a div. Now, let's say we have a div element box with a text value of box, and we style that box, setting its height to 50%, the width to 50%, the background color to green, the text color to white. Now, before centering the div, we must first set the height of the parent of the div, which is the body. So that would be body height 100 VH or viewport height. Now, as you can see, the 50% height of the box take into action after setting the parent height. Now, to center the box, we do display flex, justify content center to horizontally center the box, and align item center to vertically center the div box. Now, if we were to center the text value box, we should do text align center, and to vertically center the text, we will do align content center. Now, other methods would be display grid, place items center. Now, there are other methods like setting the position of the parent to relative and setting the child position to absolute. Set it to top 50%, the left to 50%. And then we translate the position translate negative 50% and negative 50%. And there you go. Those are the different ways to center a div.